In 1522, a land of ancient civilization faced invasion. Spain arrived claiming Venezuela, but the land did not surrender easily. Centuries of struggle led to a defining moment. In 1811, Venezuela rose against empire, becoming one of the first Spanish colony to declare independence. On January 3rd, 2026, the world was in shock as US forces launched a surprise operation in Venezuela, capturing President Nicolas Maduro. For decades, relation between the US and Venezuela steadily collapsed. Socialist policies, nationalized industries, and alliance with America's rivals made Caracas a direct challenge to Washington. The United States condemned Venezuela's election as illegitimate and accused the government of widespread human rights abuses, at times even recognizing opposition leaders as Venezuela's true leaders. Venezuela sits on the world's largest proven oil reserves. When relation collapsed, the US targeted the lifeline, oil. Washington imposed sanctions, seized oil shipments, and enforced a maritime blockade, cutting revenue and applying maximum pressure on the Maduro government. The US labeled Venezuela criminal groups as foreign terrorist organizations, claiming cocaine routes were flowing directly into America. In 2026, the US officials charged Maduro and his wife with terrorism and drug crimes, offering a bounty for their capture. After months of pressure, US forces launched a surprise strike in Caracas, capturing Maduro and dismantling his government. Critics argue that invasion violates international laws. The UN Charter forbids attacks on sovereign nations without approval or immediate self defense. This wasn't just about Venezuela, it was about global influence, rival powers, and control in Latin America.